It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire, but rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Hey, before we get into the video, I always got to give my shout outs if there's shout outs to be given. So I have to send a special shout out to Shoes Up, Sleeves Down. This unboxing is kind of courtesy of you. This sneaker would have been easily attainable without your help, but I want to give away on his channel. And that's why you watch each and every video of the people you subscribe. Well, you don't have to watch. You don't have to, but that's why I watch the people that I'm subscribed to. I watch their videos just because of the love of my other fellow content creators. But you also never know, man. You know what, you have a chance. Like, so I got a $25 gift card and a giveaway just from paying attention and watching his videos. And that's what I'm gonna start doing. I like the way he did it too. He just kind of sprinkled it in throughout the middle of the video, and if you caught it, you caught it. So shout out to you, bro, man. $25 off of this purchase made this even more of a steal. I'll get into the pricing and everything that I paid for this in a second, but I just wanted to start the video off with a special shout out to you. And so if you guys want to be part of, you know what I'm saying, my movement and a chance to win giveaways on my channel, you never know, man. If that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join my movement, join Bobby Sneaker World, and we're gonna keep rocking like that. We're trying to get to, we're almost at 2,000 supporters here on the channel, and we're trying to get to 5,000 by the end of the year. So tell a friend to come over here and join the movement, man. If you like sneakers, if you like streetwear, if you like all of that different type of stuff, if you like, you know, fishing too, if you like fishing, I do fishing videos. Don't take nothing but a second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the team. It's all good, man. You'll love it, I promise. So, with all that being said, all that out of the way, that's enough rambling for today. Let's get into this unboxing. Let's get into the sneakers. You can see that we have a Nike pickup. Not gonna get into the whole rant about the tape and the swooshes on the box and all that other stuff. You've heard that 1,000 times before, and we all know that it's ridiculous. And I'm pretty sure that there's plenty of people that have had their packages stolen just by the late. Man, my box is already beat up. What the hell UPS is doing? You got your Nike receipt tucked down there in the bottom of the box. You got your orange traditional Nike box. Nike all over branding. All right. So, you got Nike Air Max 1 size 11 color. Ooh, contacts blurry. White, pure platinum, and cool gray. Cool gray is a popular color right now with the Jordan 4s dropping soon. Or already shock dropping, but that's enough about that. Oh my God. These are even better in person than the pictures. The pictures do not do these any justice. Oh, I'm just gonna take one out for now. Oh, wow. These are clean. Wow. All right. So, you got your Nike Air Max 1 Pure Platinums. That's what these are called. And we'll go over the sneaker a little bit, but I'm going to try to give you guys a quick little 360 view of these before we get into the colors and all of that other stuff. Now, wow, I don't know which part is cool gray and which part is pure platinum, but we'll try to guess, and y'all can let me know if I'm wrong down in the comments below. But let's look at the sneaker a little bit. So you got your all white midsole all the way around the sneaker, the mud guard and the toe cap. This is like a nubuck, I believe it feels like. It's kind of rough, not in an uncomfortable, like not like in a cheap way, but just like it's a little bit thicker of a nubuck material. And I'm going to say this is pure platinum. and this is the cool gray. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's interchangeable, whichever one is which. It doesn't really matter. It's gray and it's white. So all around your mud guard and all around the midsole here and the upper, you got your gray. On the toe box, you have this mesh material that comes around both sides. Over to the lateral side, there's not much to go over. You got your gray Nike swoosh on the medial and the lateral side. You got your Nike Air Max branding on the tongue in gray. Nike Air branding on the insole in white and platinum. Your outsole, you got your Nike Air. You got Air written out down here on the outsole in white and black and gray. You got your platinum air unit inside the air bubble. Really, really dope. Now, what I wanted to talk about, this sneaker came out in April of this year, 2019. It's already selling under retail on like your resale platforms, your StockX and stuff like that. But that doesn't matter, because I didn't get this from StockX. I got this obviously from Nike. And what I told you I was going to tell y'all on pricing, I paid $41 for this. This is damn near feels like an OG type colorway just because it's so simple with the white and the gray. I paid $41 for these. $41. That's crazy for this sneaker. So the way I they might still be having their 30% off sale. And then on top of that, you were able to apply it if you have anything else. So I applied the $25 gift card that I won. So these came out to $41 and some change. And I couldn't be more happy with my purchase. These are even better in person than I thought that they would be from the pictures. These are crazy, man. So I just wanted to show y'all these real quick. We're going to get into the on foot. It's going to be really, really simple because it's a simple sneaker. You don't have to do too much, man. It's a casual sneaker and I'm going to wear these, but definitely going to have to flood these with some with some Crep Protect because these will get dirty.
No, I'm really just